Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Mozilla Firefox error message that the Firefox network protocol has failed. Error: Firefox has expired. A network protocol violation that cannot be repaired. The page you are trying to view cannot be shown because an error in the network protocol was detected. First close it and relaunch it guys, hopefully resolve the problem. And if not resolved, let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator. Here you want to type ipconfig space slash flus dns ipconfig space slash flus dns. Press enter guys. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Next thing you want to do, type netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter guys. netsh winsock space reset. Successfully reset the Windows catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and go and restart it guys. If after restarting, if you still not resolved, go to Firefox website guys and go to menu icon over here and want to go to settings. Here find in settings you want to type CACHE cookies and site data. You want to select clear data. You may get signed out of website if cleared guys. If you don't want it, you uncheck the box. Every website of your signed in was removed. If you get problem of this, you want to remove it. I am not using any website signed in, so I am clearing it. Clear it guys. Selected clear now will be clear all cookies site data stored by Firefox. This may sign you out website and remove offline web content. Clear now guys. Close out of here and relaunch it. Hopefully that will be resolved your issue. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you.